Hello guys, welcome to the next video on JavaFX tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how we can create a simple login app using Java application. So for example, I want to create an app on which I want to give the username and password, and when I click the login button I want to open the second fxml file. So how we can do it, let's see. So I'm going to create a new project which will be a JavaFX project once again. So just choose JavaFX project, and the name of the project I will name it as login fx and click finish. And in here inside the source I'm going to create one more class. So just right click on application package and we are going to create a class called main controller for the controller, and I'm going to create two fxml files, one for login and other for if the login is success I want to open the second scene, right? So I'm going to first create a first fxml file. So right click and choose this new fxml document, and first of all I will name it as login fxml. Okay, and the second fxml file I'm going to name it as main fxml. Okay, so we have two fxml files, right? So our classes and the fxml files are ready. So let's create some design. So first of all I will choose this login fxml file, right click and open in scene builder, and I'm going to select this anchor pane here, and initial size I want to give here. So I will give the initial width of for example once again 300 by 300. So pref width and pref height is equal to 300 by 300. Okay, and now what I want to do here is I want to first of all go to controls, and inside the control I will take a button first of all, and then I will take a text field from here. So just search for text field which is for username, and I'm going to choose a password field. So password field is a special kind of field on which the characters are not visible. So it will show something like dot 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 instead of the character. So your password is protected, right? And I'm also going to take a label from here. So just take a label to show if our login is successful or not. Okay, so we have two text boxes, one label and one button. Now I'm going to just select all these items and change the font size of all these items to 18 for example. So I will just select 18 here, and I will just readjust these text boxes something like this. Okay, now to show some prompt text, for example we want to prompt user that this is our username field and this is our password field. What we can do is we can just select this text field and go to the properties here, and at the top you can see prompt text. So we can write here user name and press enter, and same we will do for password field. So select password field and just write password here, right? So it will be seen here in the background that this field is for username and this is for the password. We can change the text of this label also as status for example, and we can change the color of this label also using this text fill, and in here I'm going to choose little bit red color. So just choose this color, and now we have the red foreground color for this text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text of this button also to login, so it's clearly visible. And now we are ready, I think. So let's just give the ID to this label also. So just go to code, and here ID will be LBL, and for example status. Okay, so the ID of label is status. Now let's give the ID to these username and password fields also. Just go to the code here and just give the fx ID to txt user name, and for the password also just give the fx ID is equal to txt password. Okay, and now we are going to save our code. So just go here and save it. Okay, now we will go to our Eclipse IDE, and in here what we are going to do is, in the controller, first of all we are going to create these three variables, which are two text boxes for username and password and one label. Okay, so just give this tag here @fxml, and then just write private label, and the label name should match the label here. So just select the label and copy the label name and paste it here. Okay, in the same way we will add the text box fields also. So just copy and paste something like this, and this should be text field and this should be text field also, and we want to match this ID to the ID which we have defined here. So just select this, copy the fx ID from here and paste it here, and same we will do for the password. So just select this, copy it and paste it here, and now just click and fix the import for fxml and the label and also the text field. Okay, so everything is done, and inside the controller we will define a public method which will be a void, and we will name it as, for example, login itself. Okay, so login, and here we will pass action event, and inside the function what we are going to do is we are going to just check what is the text for these text boxes. So we will check if the text for the username matches our text. So text dot get text equals some predefined value. For example, we define user as the username. We want to match this keyword here, right? And we also want to match this password field. So just take the text from it. So get text and dot equals, and we want to match, for example, some keyword also, for example pass. Okay, and if these two keyword matches, then we want to display some message. So we will just copy this label here and we will just set text on it, and we will say login success. Otherwise we will display the message that login is failed. Okay, so just take this label and paste it here, and in this time login is failed. Okay, and one thing we forgot here is we haven't connected our fxml file to the controller, right? So you open your scene builder and open this controller on the left hand side, you will see at the bottom here, and then choose this class called application.main controller, and then choose the button and go to the code here on the right hand side, and in the on action category just choose this login method which we have defined. Okay, and save everything. Okay, and one more thing which is remaining here is we want to go to the main.java file, and in here instead of this border pane we want to provide our parent root, something like this, but this is our login.fxml, so this will be something like this. Okay, save your code and right click and refresh your code and run it. our app is running now. So for example, I gave some wrong username and password here, and it shows login failed, right? But for example, I give the valid user. So in our case, valid user ID is user, right? So just give here user, and valid password is pass here. So just give pass here and click login, and now it says login success. Okay, now for example, we want to open the second scene using this login button. So for example, if the login is success, we want to open the main fxml file, right? So how do we do it? So what we are going to do is we will go to the main.java file here, and we will copy this code for creating the scene and opening the scene from here. Okay, so copy this all code. We are going to reuse this code and go to the main controller, and inside this if condition, after the message is shown, just paste this code, and this will give you this error because we haven't defined the stage here. So we just need to define our stage. So just write stage primary stage, because we have this primary stage object name from our previous code, is equal to new stage, and import the stage here. So just import stage, and in here you will see this line will give you this error line, and it says unhandled exception type IO exception. So we will extend this method as it throws. So just throw exception from here. Okay, so just throw exception, and now this error will go. Okay, and if you want, you can just open this main.fxml file. First of all, add this main.fxml file here. So just change the name as main.fxml file, and now open your main.fxml file in scene builder. And in here, first of all, we will provide some width here. For example, 300 by 300. And now we can add a label here. So just add a label. Just search for the label in controls and drag and drop this label here, and just go to the property and change the font size 18 for example, and the text is for example main window. Okay, and save your code. And now we will run our code. But before that, just right click on your project and refresh it, and save everything and run it. And in here we will give the valid username, for example user, and valid password, which was pass, and click login, and it opens our second scene here, right, which is our main window. Okay, now if we provide some random username and password, it's not going to open the second scene, and it says login failed. So in this way you can create a simple login application using JavaFX. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.